All right, class. Today is a review of multiplication and division and using our line plot. Yes, I know the slides look kind of funky. That's because our math needed to be kind of more vertical than horizontal, and I couldn't change just the math slide, so all the slides look a little bit funky today, but that's okay. It will work just the same. But, quick review. To solve multiplication and division, you can use an open area model, which we have our boxes, which we've practiced before, and our ratio tables. Also, for division, for multiplication, you have partial product. So you have if we have 15 times 23, you can do 10 times 23 and 5 times 23 to get the same answer. But okay, let's review. So you're going to use any of the strategies that we just went over, open area, ratio table, or partial product, to solve 16 times 28. So in here, I need to see a selfie plus some typing of how you decided to solve your problem. Like, what did you do? I want to know what you did. And then your answer needs to be written in this yellow box. Then you're going to do the same thing with division. Pick a strategy. Open area, ratio table, partial product may be more challenging. It's really better for multiplication. And then the same thing. You're going to have a selfie plus typed answers of what you did to solve your problem. So I used a ratio table and I first started with blah, 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 blah. You go step by step by step. And then here is your answer. Boys and girls, just like our meeting on Tuesday and that video you watched today, if you do not have all of the work that I'm asking for, a selfie plus typed words to explain your thinking, to tell me in words what you did, and your answer, you will be asked to redo it. And that means you will have extra work on the following day. So please don't do that to yourself. Okay? So that is our first two problems to solve. Good luck.